Namaste students, welcome to biology class. We will see next topic segmentation and notochord. What is mean by segmentation? Segmentation mean division. Already the sum of the organization it is a dividing the body. So segmentation mean division. In some animals the body is externally and internally. Externally is the outer, internal it is the inside. Dividing into the is of the repeated unit called the segment. With the serial repetition of some organs it is a metamerism. What is mean by it is a metamerism? It is a repeated segmentation. மறுபடியும் segment ஆகிட்டே இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் metamerism. The simplest form of segmentation is found in annelids. Already what is the annelids? Annelida, it is a study about the worms in which each unit of the body is the very similar to the next one. But is the arthropoda. Arthropoda, what is the study about? Yeah, correct. The study about the insect. So the arthropoda, the cockroach. Example, one cockroach. The segment may look different and has the different function. So what is the segmentation? Segment mean it is the division. The animal which possesses the notochord at any stage of this development are called the chordates. Notochord already it is the backbone. The notochord is the mesodermally, it is a derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during the embryonic development of the some animals. So notochord it is development of this. Some of the animals it is a early stage. So embryo stage it is a development of the notochord. Based on the presence or absence of the notochord, the animals are classified the chordates, it is on the non-chordates. So already the presence of the notochord, what is the animal? It is the chordates. Presence of backbone, so vertebrates, chordata animals. What are the chordata animals? Cephalochordates, urochordates, rhesus to mammalia. Cephalochordate to mammalia. Already cephalochordates, urochordates and rhesus to mammalia. And the non-chordates. Non-chordates means it is the absence of notochord, that is absence of backbone. What are the organism? Porifera to hemichordata. Already the porifera, coelenterata, platyhelminthes, hasselminthes, annelida, arthropoda, echinodermata and hemichordata. So this fully it is a non-chordate. What is the chordate? What is the non-chordate? Already it is the presence of backbone, it is the absence of backbone. So already it is the coelom. What is the coelom? Coelom is the body fluid. One example, this one diagram is present, we will see. The coelom already it is a, what are the three type of coelom? It is a acoelom, pseudocoelom and eucoelom. So acoelom, all of you see acoelom. Coelom is the body fluid is filled with the mesoderm. So what is the outer part? Outer part is the ectoderm and middle part is the mesoderm and inner part is the endoderm. So center only is present for the digestive cavity. So this is the acoelomate. It is the flatworms. What is the reason? Because acoelomate means it is the body cavity is the absent. So it is the acoelomate. The next one is the pseudocoelomate. Pseudo means what is the pseudo? Pseudo means false. Yeah, good. Pseudocoelomate. This is the pseudocoelomate. What is the reason? Because the body cavity it is not filled in the mesoderm, because it's filled with the ectoderm and endoderm. It is a middle layer. So this coelom is the pseudocoelomate. And third one is the, it is a pseudocoelomate or the eucoelomate. What is the reason? Because it is a coelomate or the eucoelomate means it is a true coelom, because it is a presence of the body cavity is a correct level of the mesoderm. So ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So this is one the coelomate or the eucoelomate. Okay, clear? Okay, we will see next one. It is the classification of kingdom Animalia. What is the Animalia? Animalia, it is study about the, it is what are the organism? It is the last kingdom. So first one, the animal kingdom is dividing into the two sub kingdoms. What is mean by kingdom? Kingdom is the longest group of organism. So first one is the Parasaura and second one is the Eumetasaura. The based on this organization. What is the first one? Parasaura and second one is the Eumetasaura. Okay. First we will see first one, it is the Parasaura. They include the multicellular sponges. Multicellular means it is the many layer. What is the multicellular? It is the many layer of the sponges and these cells are closely aggregated and do not form tissue or the organs. Because sponges, what is the phylum? Phylum Porifera. Yeah, good. The phylum Porifera are the closely aggregated, do not form the tissue or organ. Already you know the group of the cells only it is the tissue and group of the tissue only it is the organ. But the cells is the not closely aggregated. So இதனால் என்ன பண்ண முடியல, it is a not form the, it is a tissue and the organ. Okay, we will see next one. It is a Eumetasaura. What is mean by Eumetasaura? Eumetasaura, this include the multicellular animals with well-defined tissue which are organized as organ and the organ system. Eumetasaura include the two taxonomical levels called the grades. It include the, what is the first one? It is the radiata and second one is the bilateral. So Eumetasaura is the multicellular animals. What is mean by multicellular? Multicellular means many cells is present only organization. So இதில் என்ன இருக்கும்? டிஷ்யூ இருக்கும், ஆர்கன் இருக்கும், ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டமும் இருக்கும். So இந்த two taxonomic levels called the grades. They include the radiata and bilateral. Bilaterata. Okay. First one, grade 1. Grade 1, what is the first one? Grade 1 is the, it is a radiata. Among the Eumetasaura, the few animals have an organization of the two layers of the cells, the outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. Already you know the germ layer. What is the outer? It is the ectoderm and inner is the endoderm. The separated by the jelly like mesogella. இதுக்கு ஒரு இந்த எக்டோடர்முக்கும் எண்டோடர்முக்கும் டிவைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு லேயர் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அது என்ன லேயரு? மீசோஜெல்லா. இந்த மீசோஜெல்லா தான் it is a separated by the jelly like mesogella. They were radially symmetrical. நம்மளுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் symmetrical mean it is the dividing the body. So radial symmetrical means the organism divide how many parts? It is a many parts, but all the parts is the equal in the shape. There is the, it is a radial symmetry. And the diploplastic. Diploplastic mean already you know what is the diploplastic. What are the organism? The germ layer, it is a only two germ layer. Ectoderm and endoderm is present only. It is a diploplastic organism. Okay, okay. Then example, Cnarians, sea anemones, jellyfish. Cnarians is otherwise known as, what is the phylum? What is the phylum? Coelenterata. Okay. Then Ctenophores, it is the comb jellies. Okay. First and the next one is the two, it is the bilateria. So Eumetasaurans other data, so organ level of the organization and are bilaterally symmetrical and trypoplastic. What is meant by bilaterally symmetrical? Bilateral means it is the two. So the division of the body, it is the right side and left side. Right side, what are the parts is present? means the same only it is present for the left side. So the organism dividing the two, it is the same, it is a shape. So this organism only it is a bilaterally symmetrical. And the trypoplastic, trypo means it is the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. So three germ layer is present the organism. Okay, so the grade bilateria include two taxonomical level called the division. So இதுலயும் எவ்வளவு division இருக்கு? It is a two taxonomical division. So what are the two taxonomical division? First division, division 1, it is the protostomia. What is the name? It is the protostomia. Protostomia. Proto is the first, stomium is the mouth. So what is the meaning? First mouth. This protostomia include the eumetazoan in which the embryonic blastospore develop into the mouth. So embryonic blastospore develop into the mouth. This division include the three subdivision, namely Acylometa and Eucylomate and Synsocoelomate. Acylomate already you know. Acylomate na என்னது? It is the coelomic fluid வந்து absent இருந்தாதான் அது வந்துட்டு acylomate. Yes, okay. Pseudocoelomate means the coelomic fluid is present but is the absent. What is the reason? Because the coelomic fluid is the not present for the correct layer, mesoderm. It is the present for the, it is a present for this ectoderm and endoderm, and synsocoelomate it is a other type. Okay, so next division is the deuterostomia. Deuterons, deuteron means it is the secondary and stomium means it is the mouth. Okay, so eumetazoan in which anus is developed from or near the blastospore and the mouth is developed away from the blastospore. It only one subdivision, it is a Enterocoelomata. So Enterocoelomate is only one subdivision, but is the first subdivision is the Acylomate, Pseudocoelomate and Synsocoelomate. They have true coelom called the enterocoel. The developed by the archipteron. Okay, already you know it is a what is mean by true coelom. True coelom means it is the body fluid is present for the correct level of the mesoderm. So meso layer. So eumetazoan which the anus develop from the near of the blastospore or the mouth in away from the blastomere. So இதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு subdivision தான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அந்த subdivision is the Enterocoelomata. Okay, clear? Okay, then one tabulation is present. We will see first the tabulation. It is the very important. The kingdom. Kingdom already you know. What is the kingdom? Kingdom is the largest group of organism. Then second one is the level of organization. And third one is the symmetry. And fourth one is the body cavity or coelom. And fifth one is the phylum. So phylum already you know it is a Porifera to Coelenterata. Already you know what are the phylum is present. First one is the Porifera. Second one is the Coelenterata. Third one is the Platyhelminthes and fourth one is the Acylminthes and fifth one Annelida, sixth one Arthropoda, seventh one Mollusca, eighth one Echinodermata. And this first eighth up to Echinodermata, it is the presence of the absence of the backbone. So it is the non-chordates. Then last is the chordate. It is the presence of the backbone. So first one kingdom. Kingdom it is a multicellular. It is a Animalia multicellular. Multicellular is the it is a many layer. So cellular level it is the Porifera. Then it is a cellular level is development of the tissue, organ and organ system. So Coelenterata is the radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Radial and bilateral symmetry, development of the tissue, organ and organ system. Then plateal means system without body cavity. So what is mean by without body cavity? The without body cavity means it is the acoelomates. Okay. Acelminthus is the pseudocoelomate. Acelminthus is the pseudocoelomate means it is the false coelom because the body cavity it is filled with the not correct level of the it is a mesoderm. Then it is a true coelom. True coelom is present for what are the it is a organism. It is present for the true coelom. It is the Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Hemichordata and Chordata is present for the true coelom, presence of the coelom. So this tabulation is very important because this classification of the kingdom Animalia based on the common fundamental features. Okay, so we will see next one. It is the non-chordates invertebrates. Okay, invertebrates already you know what is mean by invertebrates, what are the character is present for the invertebrata. If we will see one by one. The first your general character of the invertebrata. Invertebrates nala enna it is the not well developed brain. பிரெயினோட கண்டிஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா நல்லா டெவலப் ஆகிருக்காம இருக்கும். தென் அதோட பாடி இட் இஸ் அ பாடி வால் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா இட் இஸ் அ வெரி ஸ்மால் இட் கம்பேர் டு த vertebrates and it is a open type of the blood circulation and sometimes is the closed type of the blood circulation also. It is the absence of the backbone. இதுக்கு வந்து backbone எப்படி இருக்கும்னா absent-ஆக இருக்கும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா it is a not well developed backbone-ஆக இருக்கும். So this is the character of the invertebrates. Then it is a circulatory system and vascular system and excretory system. It is not well developed for the many organ system for this invertebrata. So already you know it is a vertebrata and invertebrata. Vertebrata is the presence of the backbone. So it is a well developed it is a organism is present and the non-chordata it is a invertebrata it is the absence of the backbone. So non-vertebrates la it is a non-chordate invertebrata. இதோட பேரே நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா non-chordate it is a invertebrata. So you study about this how many phylum is present means it is a commonly it is a called the 8 phylum is present. What are the 8 phylum? First phylum is the Porphyrians. Porphyrians it is the first phylum and second phylum is the Coelenterata. Coelenterata is otherwise known as it is the Cnidarians and third phylum is the Platyhelminthes. What is the third phylum? Platyhelminthes and fourth phylum is the Acelminthus and fifth phylum is the Annelidas. Annelidas already you know it is study about this worms. Okay, then next phylum is the Arthropoda. Arthropoda already you know it is the largest phylum in this invertebrates because it is study about the insect, full of the insects. So it is study about the Arthropoda. The next phylum is the molluscan. Molluscan already you know it is the snail. This fully it is the study about this is some molluscans. The next phylum is the Echinodermata. Echinodermata already you know it is the starfish and it is the special it is the movement motile present for this organism is the Echinodermata. Okay, so this first 8 phylum is the invertebrate. What are the Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Acelminthus, Annelida, Arthropoda, molluscans and Echinodermata. We will see one by one what are the character is present for the invertebrata, what is the it is a motile, what is the digestive system, what are the special transport system, what are the spores is present. This fully it is a study about the phylum. It is a invertebrates. Invertebrate it is the study about this. It is the absent. Okay. Okay, thank you.